When we were developing VisualBadge as a badge builder, it was our goal to make it easy for your department to customize and order badges, but VisualBadge has developed into so much more. At Smith & Warren, we talk a lot about badges, but VisualBadge can be used to design your nameplates, rank insignia, commendation bars, tie bars, and much more. If it is metal and it decorates your uniform, it can probably be built using VisualBadge. We add new designs for badges and metal insignia to VisualBadge on a regular basis. But rest assured that we don't remove designs from our product line, so your reorders will be consistent and uniform into the future. Along with a large selection of products, there are 3 great reasons to use VisualBadge as your all-in-one product builder for badges, nameplates, and all the insignia that you need to complete your uniform. The first reason is that designing products is an easy and guided step-by-step process. You will notice that the steps are visible at the top of the page as you select each item sequentially. As you click on the items, your design choices appear on the screen. You go through each step until you have completed your design. The second reason is that you can share your designs. With the click of a button, you can either print out your design or email it. This makes getting approvals for orders easier for you and your department. The third reason is that you can submit a quote the minute you have finished with your design. You can specify your dealer as you submit your quote, or leave it blank, and within 24 hours, we will assign your quote to a dealer for you. Our large selection of products and the ease of using our online builder to design badges and metal insignia will ensure that your department's uniform needs are met. We want you to rely on VisualBadge for all of your badge and uniform insignia needs. If you have any questions, just contact us.